Welcome back. Removing vertical lines while keeping your horizontal lines can give your document a clear, more modern look, often referred to as a professional journal style. So here is the most efficient way to do it in Microsoft Word. So first you need to select your table. Click the small hair icon that appears at the top left corner of the table and then go to the table design in the top ribbon only when the table is selected. So in the border group, click on the small arrow next to the borders button. Click on that and now from the drop down menu look for the inside vertical border and click it to deselect it. And here you can see that all the vertical table lines removed. So if you want more control over the thickness or the colors of the remaining line, use this method. For this you need to select the table again and then right click and click on the table properties and click on the borders and shading. Now click the vertical line buttons located in the middle or on the side of the preview box to toggle them off like this one and click OK to apply. OK, and here you can see that. Let me undo that. There is another simple way. You can select the table and go to the layout and here you will see that eraser. Click on that and now drag the eraser towards right side to remove the vertical lines like this one. So this was the simple and easiest way to remove vertical table line in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.